Here we are, guys. We're on the old railway bridge. That's the M65 going into Burnley, and this is where the railway used to come down for Padiham power station. I'm going to show you where the track starts and where the track ends today, just for something for me to vlog. So down there is Rosegrove, Burnley. We're going to come up under this bridge where the motorway is. We're going to go down the Padiham Greenway, show you what it's now. It used to be a railway line, so we're going to show you where it takes us to on the bike. It'll take us about 4 or 5 minutes all the way downhill. I've just come up it, so I'm a bit out of breath. Right, so here we are. This is where the track begins or ends, as the case may be. The main line is just across there, going straight down towards Accrington and Mordor, and it goes straight down that way to Burnley, and this is the offshoot of it. I'm guessing it just took you down to Padiham power station. This is where all the coal came down, I'm guessing. So it ends here, look. The motorway is over there, and this is the start of the Padiham Greenway. It's a bit rocky at first, so I'm going to walk you down the first bit because I'm on my racer bike, and then we'll jump on and I'll take you to what's on the other end, hopefully. Just come in. Just under. Just under the motorway bridge here. So there's 6 lanes of traffic above us here on the M65. As you can see, the railway used to come through here under this bridge. Yeah, so we pop onto the Padiham Greenway to give you a bearings where we are. That's Rosegrove, Technical Walker, all that lot. There's Pendle in the distance. We're heading down towards Padiham on the Greenway. Glasses on. if anybody ever wondered, when you're going under this bridge or road, this is what you're going under. I don't know what that road's called. Look, alright, pilchard. Russell Terrace. See where we are now. This is where the little BMX track there for kids gets busy, and that's Padiham swimming baths. That square building over there is a little skate thing there, look. And across there is where the park is, where the Burnley bandstand is, in Padiham. That's looking on up to Fennyfold, on up to Iv'e. We're not far from train track now, so I'm guessing the train track went all the way down here. So here we are, guys. We have what's left of the train track, look. Bit of a back to the future moment. Taking you up to 88 miles an hour, is it? Off the end, over the precipice. So the bridge must have come further over this way, wouldn't it? If the train went right up there, because the bridge is further over. Law firm Greenway Group was formed in 2015, and its main aim is to link the Padiham and Highburn Greenways and create a continuous multi-user route from the Leeds and Liverpool Canal in Burnley through to Blackburn, crossing the Grade 2 listed Moorform Viaduct. I don't even know where that is. So here we are. A few sleepers left in there. They're all rotten and my feet's falling through. go, the end of the track. So the track some sunshine. The track seems to veer left to under whatever that building is there. So the Greenway carries on down there. It comes out of the traffic lights where is it Shuttleworth Mead Industrial Park is where the big WAM building is. It comes out there and it's really bumpy. It's like all the concrete's warped on it and it's not good for bike riding down that way. So I might as well just finish off a quick trip round the park.